Okay, so let's add some details to our cam. We know that there's rings up here at the top, a little bit of a bevel up at the top and at the bottom. To add our bevel, so we're just going to come slightly outside of our top of our cylinder and just make a little tiny ledge almost. And you'll do the exact same thing at the bottom for the bottom bevel. It's a subtle detail, but it's the subtle details that make it. And if you've got anything that you need to fix, you can fix it. Also, you need to bring in a second curved line for your ring. And another curved line for your ring, for your bevels. And then on the inside, another curved line for the ring. And then to get these other little rings, you're just going to make tiny little curved lines, almost like the letter C. And that is how you make the top and the bottom bevels of your soup can.